welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It is Thursday. Thursday is my Target day, as you can see to the side of me here. I don't have much time, so I thought I'd film a quick intro. I spent around that 200 range. I had to get a birthday present for my best friend, and then I bought 2 new books. So yeah, things were a little bit more pricier, or more expensive than I wanted to spend. So it is what it is. So anyways, stay tuned for that haul. I hope you guys are doing well as I start this video, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, I have put everything on my countertops. I spent $262. See, I told you, more than I wanted to, more than last payday. All right, I got disinfectant wipes. I wasn't sure if I needed dish soap, but I saw the rose scent, and that's like one of my favorites, so I decided to get that. Another Downy Gentle. We needed paper plates. I got a big thing of Bounce, because I've been getting like smaller packages, and it's just more cost effective to just get this big one for 10 bucks. I saw this recipe binder book thing in the dollar spot, and I thought it'd be really nice to have. Like right now I have mine in like a photo album with like these recipe cards, and they get kind of just like messy. And so I kind of like how that looks. So yeah, and I don't know how much it was, probably, yeah, $5. Needed to get pads. I got 2 small packages of panty liners. I did the 5 for $12 for Alani again. The one that I got at Sam's is just too much, and it was already gone. I had like company over, and yeah, I don't need all that. And it was like, $23. So I got the 5 for $12. I got 1 orange kiss, and I have 2 orange kisses left from last payday. So, and then I got 2 pink slushes, and then 2 of the cherry slushes. So I figured my daughter and I can have 1 of each of these. And yeah, and then I got feminine wipes. 3 cans. I got the last 3 cans of the French style green beans, and my husband swears by this toothpaste, so I bought the Colgate Optic White, 3 pimple patches, because I always get that. I got this for my toes today. It's OPI, and the color is Aphrodite's Pink 90. So nail polish is expensive, I realize, because I remember like OPIs used to be like $7, $8. Now it's 12. Feminine wash. Needed more dry shampoo. I got 2 bags of kettle cooked sea salt chips for the oldest. I got 2 books. So this is the second part to the Ruinous Love Trilogy. The first one was Butcher and Blackbird, and that was really good. And now this is the second one, Leather and Lark. And then I saw this one, and there was only 2 left, and so I was like, ooh, okay. So I don't know if you want to pause it. I can kind of have what it's all about here if you want to read it for yourself. But yeah, and then it is my best friend's birthday tomorrow, so we are having a book club at her house for the Butcher and Blackbird movie, or book, sorry. So I did get her a Starbucks gift card, and I got some gift wrap. This is the card I got, and then a gift bag. I got some more eggs, 12 count. Back here is spaghetti by Rouse, and then I got Caitlin's dark chocolate peanut bars, and then my husband the Junkless peanut butter. The Junkless was still on sale for $3.49. Butter bread. And then over here I got 2 bags of steamed cauliflower, 1 mild cheddar, classic cheddar slices. I got a small package of my husband's lunch meat. I wasn't sure because he's like hasn't been working as much. He's home, and so okay, yeah, I think that might be enough. Okay, anyways, I got 2 things of hash browns. My daughter finally got through all of hers, so I got those 2 for her. I got some more of the Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas, a family pack of chicken breast, my wee yogurt, and Viva paper towels. So I'm actually going to be shopping at Meijer this payday. Probably putting in a small order for Walmart. Probably do like a delivery or shipping, just for a couple things that I need to get. and Sam's Club, of course. So my husband and I are going like on a date on Saturday. We've been following this guy, Nick Nico. We've been following him, and he does like reviews for the area of like food and places like that. And so there's this one place that we want to go called, I think it's called the Dirty Bird. Is that right now? I'm not sure if that's the name or not. It's in Sycamore. But anyways, we're going to have lunch there, and then we're going to go to Sam's Club. And then I'm shopping with Kayla for a masquerade ball dress for her on Sunday at the mall with her best friends. So yeah. So stay tuned for my hauls, and I hope you guys are doing good. All right, I am back with my Sam's Club haul. We spent $126 and some change. Got a thing of strawberries that is not really that full, as you can see. Anyways, I would get the Sam's Club brand, but they don't have it in 1% milk, and we're running kind of low. So I got the Prairie Farms because I still need to go to Meijer. I think I'm going to go this evening. I don't know, after a nap and dinner and stuff. My husband got his vanilla protein shakes again and his organic Vita Cocoa coconut water. They did not have, well, they had red grapes, but they look like gross to me. So I got these Sweet Globe green ones. I'm going to see if Meijer has red grapes. We got a 25-pound bag of jasmine rice, a big box of pads. I wanted them shipped, but they don't have it. So then I decided just to go inside and get them for when, just because, women. Kerrygold butter. My husband picked out more underwear. He's on a mission to find the perfect brand. And then I got a bag of organic green beans, and I think that was it. So yeah, stay tuned for my Meijer haul, and I'm thinking it'll be about 200. So roughly, around that 700 mark as usual. So stay tuned for that haul. Finally, I have my Meijer haul. So without further ado, I did spend $277 and some change. No, $284 and some change. I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got. Okay, so I've been eyeing these for a bit. I wanted them around New Year's Eve, and then I just never got a chance to getting them. So they're just 4 stemless wine glasses. They're 16.5 ounces, or whatever drink you want, I guess. I got 3 rice-a-ronis. We were completely out. I got the cheddar broccoli, 2 of them, and then I got a beef one. And then sometimes, if I don't want to cook something else, I'll cook a quick side dish of like the pastaroni. I did get some pastas. I got penne rigate. I got 2 of those, and I got 2 rotinis, and then 2 fettuccinis just in case, because I always seem to forget this. So grab that. I did get some Velveeta. I want to make the Velveeta and Rotel like queso dip in like a crock pot. So I got like the small version, and I just got this. And then I got a box of tissues, Swiffer dust refills. And then this is another dip here. My little one is not feeling good, and I know she's 12, so I'm not sure if like it's okay for her to still take this stuff, but she prefers that over pills, and she's still within the weight limit, so I'm hoping that's okay to give her. Any doctors, nurses. I needed disinfectant wipes for the bathroom. This is the lotion that I use on my face only. They did have another one that's like a Tight and Firm, but it has that salicylic acid. I can't pronounce it right, but I'm allergic to that. So I got this one, and I do like it, and it lasts for quite a while. And then I got another Neutrogena. This one is for the bathroom down here. And then I did notice I was running low on my Nescafe Gold Espresso, so I wanted to get that. 2 cans of peaches, and it's in artificially sweetened water. Now I look at it, I don't even know if that was good to get. Peaches, water, sucralose. Ugh. Okay. Cream cheese and Parmesan cheese. Some produce. I had no room at the end for produce, so I feel like I'm probably going to go to Aldi. Probably, I don't know, maybe this weekend or something. I have a busy weekend. And so anyways, I got 5 Cosmic apples and then 4 Granny Smith apples. I went to Meijer like the other day for just a couple things, and my son ate almost all the apples. So, and then I got 2 bunches of broccoli for 2 meals, a heavy whipping cream, a half and half, and then I did pick up the 2 zero sugar hazelnuts. When I went to Target the other day to get some things, or maybe it was Meijer, I don't remember where I went. I feel like it was Target. I just needed creamer, and they had just regular. So I've been drinking regular and trying not to have much of it, but honestly, it's not that big of a difference. I mean, it is, but it's like not. Okay, anywho, I did get some butternut bread because I wasn't sure if we were running low or not. And okay, I have stuff. There's bags that have not been unloaded yet, so I need to show all those things first. But I did get a thing of Charmin toilet paper, and there's my Mountain Dew Zero over there. So a couple snacks, and mind you, there's 5 people in this house, so everyone eats different. And I know last haul I got a nasty comment about junk food, and I swear, first of all, I don't really care what you think, and secondly, it could be a lot worse. Like, we don't eat candy and sugar and all that kind of stuff, so mind your business. Anyways, I got some Smart Food popcorn, some Tostitos for those dips, 1 Popcorners, white cheddar, 2 of the stacks, and then I got baked Ruffles, cheddar and sour cream, and baked Lay's, some white cheddar rice cakes, pretzel thins, and a thing of Honey Nut Cheerios. Don't pay attention to the dirty dishes. I got an 18 count of eggs, 1 gallon of 1% milk, picked up some Pure Leaf zero sugar tea for myself, a box of flushable wipes. So let me put all this stuff away, and then I'll show you the rest of my haul. Okay, the last. So I did buy a jar of chunky 3 cheese. We're going to have spaghetti meatballs. We are having a free-for-all tonight. I was supposed to go to Girl Scouts with my daughter. She's not feeling good, so I did not defrost anything. So the boys are going to have this pizza, and I bought that for myself. I haven't eaten anything. So I did pick up some TV dinners for lunches for myself. I got the Lean Cuisine herb roasted chicken. I got 2 of that. And then I got the grilled chicken and broccoli Alfredo. And then I did pick up some pierogies. And then I got craft beer battered fries and Arby fries. I don't know when we're eating it, but I tend to always forget to grab fries. So I just bought it for whenever. And then these are the homestyle meatballs. Now I'm nervous because I normally get Walmart's, and theirs is like the best. Well, to me it is. So I'm hoping these are decent. And I got Meijer garlic bread. And then back here, I got 2 Powerade Zeros for myself. And then I got Gatorade for my youngest. Whenever she's sick, she gravitates towards Gatorade. And then I got the Parmesan garlic wing sauce. If you know, you know, guys, you know that this is a yummy meal that I make in the crock pot. So I'm officially done. Like I said, I'm probably going to go to Arby's. I'm probably going to go to Aldi eventually and just get some produce and stuff. And I don't even have meal plans. I didn't do anything. So, and it's cookie season now. I'm just not in my right mind. So, and I've been cleaning and trying to organize and stuff. So cookies I'll get here on Saturday. So busy. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed these hauls. So sorry that it is later than I wanted it to, but life happens. So I hope you guys are doing well. Bye.